Hi, I'm McGlashan from Club Marine TV. Here, out stealing a few precious hours on the water today. Unfortunately, that's not all people steal when it comes to boating. If your vessel is trailerable like this one, if it has an outboard, electronic gear, fishing equipment, or anything else that is portable, then beware. It has a target on it for thieves, especially during the summer. Same as for ski boats, jet skis, boats on a swing mooring, and even in marinas. Now, boat theft has been around as long as boats themselves, because they're highly valuable, highly mobile, and sometimes highly difficult to prove they're yours. Today's crims are often well organised and hard to catch. They work fast and either rebirth your boat or strip and sell the parts, converting your craft into black market cash. Only a small percentage of stolen boats are recovered. But remember, there are a few things that owners can do to proactively protect their pride and joy. Prevention is definitely better than a cure. There are quite a number of insurance claims for theft where the vessel was left in the open air and not securely locked. So the take-home message from this video is to make sure your boat is harder to steal. Thieves are usually looking for an easy score. That doesn't mean tying a guard dog to the trailer, but it's important to take precautions to prevent theft. You should make sure that you use a combination of sturdy chains and locks to secure your boat to a fixed object that thieves can't move or easily break, such as a post, iron railing, or building. Don't leave the key fob on the vessel. Marine stores carry exterior hatch locks and quality padlocks. You can also buy different fasteners for windows. And don't forget the outboard. Even a chain and lock can provide some degree of security here. Prevention also means removing the temptation. So take inexpensive mobile electronic equipment, sports gear, or valuables off the boat when it isn't being used. Or keep them securely locked up out of sight. When it comes to trailers, Club Marine has found that the hitch locks don't stop the boats being stolen. They just stop them from being towed away conventionally. Club Marine has had several claims where the thieves have simply rolled the trailer away by hand, along with your boat. A wheel locking device combined with a chain and a fixed object are a better bet. Or even consider removing a wheel and using blocks. And never make it easy for a crook to access the trailer tongue. Ideally, store your boat or PWC in a locked garage or locked yard and activate any security measures you have, like alarms or surveillance cameras. As with moored boats, always lock the cabin and compartments. Boats are less likely to be stolen from a marina, but when it comes to choosing a marina, look at its security arrangements and lighting. If you're leaving your boat for long periods, arrange for someone to keep watch. Don't leave the keys in a hidey-hole in the boat. You may as well have a pot plant or a welcome mat, since the crooks know where to look. Dinghies are another hot item, so be sure to lock yours tightly as well. Not all thieves approach from shore. Be alert for waterbound visitors and report any suspicious behaviour. Don't just be alert, be alarmed. There are a lot of different alarm systems, from the relatively inexpensive to the highly advanced. But my main tip is to ensure that the alarm you buy is built for marine use. Warning stickers often deter thieves in the first place. Failing that, sensors and motion detectors will set off an alarm when they're tripped. Some systems will even send you an SMS alert. GPS trackers are becoming popular with trailer boats, but professional thieves do their homework as well. They'll often search for a device that might be on the boat. One way around this is to fit two trackers, with one being better hidden. While you can't 100% prevent your boat or gear from being stolen, there are some tricks to help you get them back and possibly catch the culprits. It pays to mark your personal items and record the serial numbers and hull identification numbers. photos, invoices and receipts help you prove ownership. They're also evidence for your insurer as to what precautions you took to keep your vessel safe. When you discover the theft, let the police and your insurance company know immediately. Same with the marina or storage facility management. And as soon as you can, post a photo of your boat on social media, looking for community pages, fishing groups, boat owner groups, and so on to share. Thieves may be smart these days, but you can be smarter.